fun too. We're gonna have to come back again when it's high tide. When it's high tide, it's gonna be a lot better. All right, let's get back to riding on the open water where there's no sand, no mud. I mean, there's no mud. Hey, and Delon, dude, that dude was off-roading. He was like, Seadoo spitting out mud. He was, that boy there, crazy. Y'all love to hate him. You good? They're going to the battle, the ship. What time is it right now? The carnival ships.
I want to finish the skis for dude. Get out.
So what time? Where is it now? What's that to? Where? Oh shit! It's mud. Dolphin sightings. Where they go? Where'd they go? Hi friends, I just want to see y'all. They're gone. Popping wheelies next to the cruise ship, Liberty of the Seas. Pit stop time. Pit stop. I thought you were gonna do a backflip.
I was supposed to take my backpack off.
Oh, go try it again. What you doing over there, Delon? Are you checking out the mud that you probably sucked up?
No, I am just
checking water temperatures, checking the pH levels.
F11 in the water, and I'm putting it on my ski wax.
Oh, F11?
Yeah.
Top coat.
F12.
Oh, F12. Look at that ski.
Look at that shine.
Why'd you take off that back deck on that 3-up?
I was trying to beat you.
Oh shit, he was trying to take some weight off to beat me on these races.
Try to.
Oh,
I did.
Oh,
I did.
Can you go back to that video where I whooped that ass on that unicorn?
Back to that video.
Go back to it.
Go.
But other than that, more to having fun, popping willies, going to go see dolphins.
Bye.
Run your ass over. Don't worry, I got you.
Soon after.
All right, guys. So we're done here. We're done at Palapa Island, and we're ready to go. Heading back. I gotta get ready for volleyball. Gotta go home, rinse the ski, rest a little bit, and then be out with my girls.